Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Tech Basics. In this video, we will be learning how to verify your Bitget account. Bitget requires identity verification to comply with anti-money laundering regulations. So here is how you can complete your verification on Bitget. Open your Bitget application on your mobile device or log into Bitget website on a web browser. Make sure to log into your account first, and once you're logged in, from the main homepage, look for the Identity Verification button. Tap the Verify button right under Complete Identity Verification before trading. And then, on the next page, you will need to go through the Level 1 Identity Verification. Start the verification process by tapping on Verify at the bottom. Select your ID type on the next page. After choosing your country, from the country/region of residence drop-down. Now select your issuing country or region from the next drop-down and select your ID type in the last field. You can use your ID card, passport, driving license, or residence card for your verification. Choose any one option and then tap Continue. Select if you are a resident of US or a non-resident. Select any one option and tap Continue at the bottom, and under Verify Your Identity, you can then upload your identity document and take a selfie of yourself. Tap on Continue at the bottom to proceed. Now, your camera screen will pop up on the page. Take a photo of the front side of your identity document by tapping on the shutter icon. Upload a clear scan or photo of a valid government-issued ID, and then make sure to provide all of the necessary information and submit for your verification request. Once you provide all the necessary information and scan your documents, the review process may take a while, and you will then receive a notification once your verification is completed. After successfully completing the verification process, you will be able to access more features and services on the Bitget platform. That is how easy it is to verify your Bitget account. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you.